Hey, welcome to Just Cook with Michael. Today we're going to do a really quick fusion quesadilla. After watching this video, you'll know how to combine a few different ingredients to make a twist on the traditional Mexican quesadilla. We're going to use the tomato coulis. That's that tomato sauce I made 2 videos back on this dish. So it's going to have quesadillas, the tomato coulis, some fresh basil, some sauteed pancetta. I have some fresh Asiago. It's an Asiago that it's not as aged, so it's not as dry. You could use something like a mozzarella, provolone, fontina, any Italian cheese will do. Some roasted bell peppers, extra virgin olive oil to heat up and saute our quesadilla, and some salt and pepper. All right, let's do it. All right, the first thing we're gonna do is saute the pancetta. I'm gonna saute the filling in a separate pan from the pan I'm cooking the quesadilla. I am putting about 2 ounces of pancetta per quesadilla. All right, the next step is to put in our roasted bell peppers. It already smells so good, that nutty sweet flavor from the pancetta. The pancetta cooks at low heat for about 5 minutes. Just cook it the way you would normally like your bacon. So if you want it crispier, cook it longer, maybe 10 minutes. If you want it medium, it's more like 5 minutes. If you don't have pancetta, Italian sausage would be a great substitute in there. Now I'm going to put about 1 tablespoon of the tomato coulis in this mixture. If you like these videos, don't forget to subscribe. And I'm going to turn off the fire. The tomato coulis really don't need to cook, you just want to warm it up. Put our pan on there for the quesadilla. Okay, our pan is warm. I'm going to put in a little extra virgin olive oil, a pinch of salt, right away I'll put in 2 ounces of my fresh Asiago cheese. I just kind of did a rough chop with this. Put in my fresh basil. The cheese is melted, now I'll put my filling in there. I turned off the fire. I looked at the bottom and the quesadilla is nice and brown. Smells fantastic. Very simple and just a little creative, but a little different flair to quesadillas. This is great, obviously, as lunch, dinner. I've done this at parties before as appetizers, sometimes with pine nuts inside or just other variations of Italian theme. Give this a try, you won't regret it. Thanks for joining me today on Just Cook with Michael. Now go out and cook for someone you love.